Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So for this video, we're going to talk about how to solve the problem of error code VAL19. So this is a connection problem to the platform. So usually you can just restart your game client and the problem will be fixed. However, if the problem is still persisting even after you restart Valorant and your PC, I have a few steps for you. So the first step would be opening up your task manager. In here, we're going to look for Windows Explorer. So just type in W until it gives you the Windows Explorer. This one right here. So once you found it, right click and click on End Task. Once you click on End Task, restart your PC and try playing Valorant. Now if the problem is still persisting, this is the second step for you. Look for the command option, which is going to be the command prompt right there. And this is going to be it. So I have a few codes for you, so please follow through. I'm just going to open my notepad there. So the first one will be ipconfig. Should be this one right here. So ipconfig and then space dash and then that would be flush DNS. That's the first one. It will flush your DNS and clear for any corrupted files. Next up for this one, I have the next code here. That would be netsesh. That would be netsh winsock and then reset. So this will reset your network as well. So giving you a full reset. And of course, the next one would be FCS scan now. This scans as well for any unleft corrupted files. And basically that's it. So after everything you've done here, you should be good to go. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.